What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit HTML or plain text settings in Google Outlook. In Microsoft Outlook. So first off, head over to Google or in your browser and then in the search bar type in Outlook. After typing, you will see this link of outlook.live.com. This is the official Microsoft Outlook Gmail link. Simply click on it. And after clicking, if you are new here, just click on create free account and then sign in with your email and password, and then you will be able to access the Microsoft Outlook. Now, after signing in with your email and password, then you are welcome to the home page of Outlook. On the right side, you can see the icon of settings. Click on the settings icon and then under the layout section, click on compose and reply here at the middle. And after that, settings menu will open of compose and reply. Now, after the menu is open, here you can see compose messages in. So here are two formats, HTML and plain text. So if you want to keep it HTML, click on HTML. And if you want to keep the format as plain text, click on plain text and it will compose the messages in plain text format. But I want it in HTML format, so I will just keep it in HTML format. But if you are changing it to the plain text format, make sure to click on the save button here at the right side on the bottom. So after that, you will be able to change your view to HTML or plain text on Outlook according to your requirements. And this is how it is done. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.